Okay, we got gold here. That's the daily. Gold is showing a very intriguing pattern here. Silver is showing not just an intriguing pattern, but actually worrying pattern as far as the bulls are concerned. Now, if we start linking various other markets that correlate with the precious metals, or rather the precious metals correlate with other markets, we begin to see that there is scope for an extension of the weakness that is developing here, and especially in silver. Now, could it be the case that here on the daily we have run up and we delivered a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we went through an ABC, and up to now we assume that's the second wave, and it could be that this is correct. Yes, it could be that this is correct, that in fact this big surge is one, or this is one, and despite let's say weakness over 2-3 weeks, where we could see gold plunging back under this level, deeping towards the support right here, and that basically will terminate an ABC second wave and then fly. Okay, alternatively, we're looking at a much bigger correction inside a bull move that is developing over many months, okay, or years, we can even say, that will retain its status as one. ABC behind us, there's nothing we can do about that, reasonably clear. We're going to have to treat this as an ABC, which opens the gate for a plunge back down to 1825, even 1800s right here. Okay, so we're going to end up with either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, do you see, or we're going to end up with ABC, which is an X, and that will end up being an ABC. So perfectly possible in both cases. If we are in an extension of the correction of the second wave, gold will come back to search for support here at around 1800, 1825. Thereafter, big bounce. That is not entirely pessimistic. Of course, we'll have to go through a bout of weakness over several weeks, maybe even several months. But if that holds and it comes back, it's probably the real big third wave. Now, this is an open situation. I have to say that the case of silver is really presenting weakness as far as I can see. A weakness not favoring the bulls at this point. Running up here, we have on the daily similar structure to what I've just explained in gold. We have one, we have an ABC behind us, not much we can do about that. It looks like we might be forced to take this as an ABC. Again, it could be an X, which will open the gate for taking this as an ABC plunge, checking 20, 20 and a half for silver, terminating thereby the second wave correction, and then big up. Okay, I want to show you what silver has been doing in the last few days and why it is really signaling weakness. You see, while gold was attempting to go quite a bit higher, we had divergence here. Silver couldn't make it, and in fact silver now broke. Silver now broke. Now it is perfectly possible opening the gate for taking this as 1, 2, and we are in a situation where that could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Do you see? Rapid decline as the DX is coming up for CS correction, and the US dollar Swiss is holding well. Australian dollar, US dollar going for a plunge, corrective plunge, etc., etc., as I explained to you throughout the video. Yeah, also with copper going for a substantial correction, the whole bunch. Yeah, so that could fit very well. This one plunging towards support here. If you do get a clear 5-leg run, that will be the moment to watch for a possible big turnaround.